What you are about to witness is a seemingly impossible transformation. This isn't just a car, it's a forgotten relic, consumed by time and rust. Most would see a lost cause, destined for the scrapyard. But one man saw the soul hidden beneath the decay. This is the story of its astonishing resurrection. The journey begins by dismantling the past, piece by piece. Every part, no matter how corroded, is carefully removed. Inside, the remnants of shattered glass tell a story of neglect. A meticulous process of purification is underway. Every last fragment of the broken past must be purged. The car is stripped down to its very skeleton. Its weary eyes are gently taken out. Then, the true battle begins, the war against the rust. Years of decay are ground away, revealing the raw metal beneath. The last vestiges of its old self are removed. A special compound is applied, treating the deep wounds of corrosion. The painstaking work continues across every panel. There is no room for error in this delicate phase. The focus is absolute, the dedication unwavering. A foundation for a new beginning is being laid. With the body stripped bare, the true artistry begins. A new layer is carefully applied, smoothing over the imperfections of the past. Each section is treated with meticulous care, shaping a flawless surface. Slowly, a blank canvas emerges from the wreckage. Patience is the key ingredient in this transformative process. The surface is sanded to perfection, ready for its new identity. The first coat of primer seals the old and prepares for the new. Teamwork is essential as others join the restoration. Every inch is inspected and perfected by hand. Modern tools join the effort, accelerating the path to perfection. The smooth, reshaped hood gleams under the light. It is a harmony of machine power and the delicate human touch. And then, the moment of rebirth. A vibrant, fiery red cloaks the car, breathing life into the steel. The transformation is stunning, a stark contrast to its rusted past. The rich color flows over every curve, a symbol of its new life. The body is reborn, but the work is far from over. Now, attention turns to the heart of the machine. The old, tired engine is carefully lifted from its home. It stands alone, a complex puzzle of grease and metal awaiting its own revival. The engine is systematically disassembled. This is mechanical surgery. Years of grime cover every component. Each part is methodically removed, exposing the core. The disassembly requires both force and precision. Layer by layer, the engine reveals its innermost secrets. Here lies the very heart, the cylinder head, scarred by time. A deep cleaning process begins to wash away the years. Intricate components like the camshaft are handled with expert care. The old clutch, a critical piece, is taken apart. Powerful tools are needed to break free stubborn bolts. The process is relentless and thorough. The engine is stripped down to its bare essentials. Even the main engine block is taken apart. The crankshaft, the engine spine, is finally lifted out. Now, the pistons and rods are meticulously cleaned. Each one is scrubbed free of carbon and oil. They are resurfaced and prepared for a new life of power. Precision modifications are made for enhanced performance. This is where engineering meets artistry. Components are even re-welded and strengthened, better than new. The engine block undergoes a baptism of soap and water. Every crevice is scrubbed clean, removing all traces of its former life. A high-pressure rinse washes away the last of the grime. Tiny passages are cleared by hand, ensuring perfect operation. The cylinder walls are polished, ready to house the restored pistons. All auxiliary parts receive the same purified treatment. With the block pristine, a fresh coat of protective paint is applied. Every component is given a new, durable finish. Even the smallest bolts are clean and prepared for reassembly. The reassembly begins. The clean block is a fresh start. The freshly painted oil pan is fitted into place. Each bolt is torqued to precise specifications. The engine slowly comes back together, piece by perfect piece. The rebuilt cylinder head is carefully lowered onto the block. The process is methodical, a reverse of the earlier surgery. The camshaft and valve train are reinstalled with precision. The heart of the machine is slowly starting to beat again. Each part fits perfectly into its place. The alternator, the source of electric life, is mounted. The engine stands complete, a masterpiece of mechanical restoration. Final connections are made, linking the engine's nervous system. One last polish ensures every surface is perfect. The flywheel is attached, ready to transfer power. The revived engine is a work of art, ready for its chariot. The exhaust manifold is fitted, giving the engine its buzz. Meanwhile, the car's original transmission is removed. It too is completely disassembled for inspection and renewal. Every gear and shaft is carefully extracted. The intricate internal components are bathed and cleaned. Surfaces are machined to ensure smooth, flawless shifting. The transmission casing is power washed, erasing all grime. Fresh lubrication is applied, critical for its longevity. The complex web of gears is a testament to engineering. New electronics and sonones are installed for modern reliability. At last, the vision is complete, a legend, reborn in pink. From a pile of rust to a moving masterpiece, the impossible is achieved. A very special thank you to the owner of the YouTube channel at Restoration Channel 562 for creating this wonderful video and allowing me to comment. If you enjoyed this narrative, please visit and support their channel at the link in the description below.